Hey, everybody, welcome back. And sit back, take some time to listen to this whole video because you're going to be blown away. All right. Now, I'm going to show you, if you didn't watch the first two videos prior to this one, please go back and watch those two videos because what I did was starting about 10 days ago. I get questions from my clients all the time. Steve, I have a small account. How do I grow it? So the two ways that you're going to grow a small account is number one, using leverage, right? Or number two, using an asset or assets that move a lot. And when I say move a lot, I'm talking 95, 26%, 15% a day. Not talking about stocks that are moving 2 and 3% a day. So the two markets that you can do that in, one of them is Forex and the other one is penny stocks. So if you have a small account and you want to grow it, your choice is to use high margin in the Forex market or to use penny stocks. Now, here's the problem with the Forex market. I'm going to show it to you right now. Okay, so here's a problem with the Forex market. Okay, so what you see on my chart is just a euro US dollar, right? Now, what you also see is this purple line is the open. That's the 25, that's the 50, that's the 75, and below are the negatives, okay? Now just look at how much this market does not move. Stays within the negative 25, stays within the plus 25, stays within the negative 25. This day touches the 50, but stays below. Now these are 0.25, 0.50. Look at this randomness, okay? So if you're trying to trade the Forex market and it is this random, meaning that it never effing moves, what do you think is going to happen when you place a stop here? You get stopped out. When you place a stop here, you get stopped out. When you place a stop here, it comes down, gets stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, stopped out. Okay? So the problem with the Forex market is yes, it will give you very, very high leverage, but it's almost impossible to trade with tight stops because you're going to get stopped out due to all the randomness that's going on. It's a 15-minute chart, right? If we go down and we look at a 1-minute chart, you can see that the randomness that's happening it's too random. Okay, so long story, 2 minutes. I didn't want to go that long. Forex is extremely random. So using high margin and high leverage in the Forex account to build a small account is just stupid in my opinion. Okay. Plus also I don't even want to start with the Forex brokers. Okay. We created an algo that was trading the Forex market and um, it, they shut it down, right? They shut it down on me and gave me nothing but problems because these forex brokers are market makers for the most part. So they make money when you lose money. They have an A book and they have a B book. So I don't want to go on for too long about ranting about the forex. Let me just tell you that forget about it. It's a scam. You want to stay away from it. So what are your other options if you want to trade a small account and run it to a big account? Well, you need something that moves 90% a day, 26% a day, 17% a day, right? And that's penny stocks, okay? Can you build an account using just regular large chip stocks like Tesla and Apple? Yes, you can, but it's going to be very difficult for you to move a small account to a big account. So the only other option is to use penny stocks, all right? So that's a 4 minutes longer than what I wanted to go, but it's really important that you understand that. Math does not lie, guy, okay? Look, I'm going to show you something here. This is the Forex market over a 1-hour chart. Now look at all these levels, okay? It's never moving. It's never moving. It never moves 0.75% at best, up or down. 0.75, 0.75, 0.75, right? It's just completely random. Now there are times when it does trend like this, but these are on the larger time frame. So again, if you want to trade the Forex market on a larger time frame, yes, it can be traded. But if you're trying to be an intraday trader, forget about the Forex markets, right? just forget about it. It's just not, it's just going to be a headache beyond headaches beyond headaches. On a larger time frame, I do believe it works, and I do believe there are some strategies that will work, okay? But that's not going to help you build a small account to a large account. Okay, 5 minutes longer than I wanted to go, but I wanted to back it up with facts. All right, so let's talk about things that do move. All right, let's talk about things that do move. Okay, now you're talking about a stock here that moved 95% in one day. So what happened was, um, 10 days ago, I decided to do a video to show you how you can use a regulated market. Okay, the stock market is regulated. It's not the Forex market where it's unregulated and they can do whatever the hell they want, like shut algos down or freeze your platform and you can't do shit about it, right? This market is regulated. They have to answer to somebody. They're regulated by the SEC. They're regulated by the exchanges, right? So, to my mind, the best way to build a small account is to use penny stocks. All right, so a week ago, go and watch the previous two videos to this. You'll see that I took an account from 12,000 all the way up to currently $45,826 in less than 10 days. All right, now, yes, this is a paper trading account. Full disclosure. All right, full disclosure. It's a paper trading account. But all the trades were called out in my room with stops and targets to all the people that are in my room. All right, now it was split between my main coaching group and my new penny stock coaching group. Okay, so you can see here all these trades were called out. It was witnessed, and taking a $12,000 account up to $45,000. Now, I know it's a paper trading account. Why aren't you using a real account, Steve? I will be. Okay, I will be using a real account very shortly. I just had to move some money around due to some personal things, but the algo works really, really good, and my strategies work really, really good on stocks. We're finding that the returns are way better. We can trust the market more because they're regulated and we don't have to deal with these criminal crooks. So, why did I do it in a paper account? Just to prove that it could be done. Now, again, I'm going to qualify that. It was witnessed, all the trades were witnessed and called out and strategized with everybody in these groups. So I have actual proof that these were not past posted. All right, and you can go in back and watch my first video that I did about it, and basically this was just a repetition of that. Okay, so we are going to be, I wanted to do it demo for the first couple of weeks just to prove proof of concept, but we are going to be going live with this very, very shortly. Now, what the plan is and what I've done is on my website, I have added a new service that's going to be much more affordable for people with small accounts. And that is my penny stock trading service. So this weekend, I'm going to do a 2 or 3 hour video series where you can come in and you can ask me questions, and I'm going to go through the exact strategies that I use to turn that $12,000 account into however much that was, into $45,000 in 2 weeks. Okay, it's going to be going live. Okay, so I don't want you to think this is just going to be, just past calling. So what's going to happen is, if you sign up for this, I'm going to add you to the Penny Stock Coaching Room. It's going to be a live video series on Saturday or Sunday. We'll probably do it Sunday, right? And you're going to get 1 month in my new penny stock coaching room, okay? Where I'm going to be showing you the actual trades and sharing them with you in real time, just like I did with everybody. And again, go back and watch the last two videos because I have actual people witnessing me doing this, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to We're going to go live, and I might even stream on YouTube so you guys can watch me in real time make that, okay? So I just want to be honest with you guys. I mean, other educators out there are out there blowing smoke up your ass. That's not me, okay? What's the advantage of buying this right now? You get to be in on the ground floor. You're going to be able to ask me questions on Sunday, and you're going to be able to get actual answers. Then you're going to be added to the live group where I'm going to be calling out every trade and streaming them live in front of you when possible on YouTube. Okay? This is the new direction we're going. We're finding that this is the way where you can build a very small account up to a large account. Now the goal is to get you to be able to afford my one-on-one mastery course. And I'm going to show you some of the trades that were posted in my main coaching group. So Raul posted this trade right here. He got long on WKHS. He made 4 to 1 on his money. Okay? These are not penny stocks. These are other trades in my main group. Okay? Let's see some other trades here. John or Philip posted this trade. He made 3 to 1 on his money. John posted this trade. He got long here, 2 to 1 on his money. Okay, so the idea is to, if you have a small account, to use something like penny stocks, right, to build it up and then make enough money to buy the group mastery or make enough money to buy the one-on-one coaching. And that is the whole point of me doing these penny stock videos and offering you this $500 entry to my education. Okay? All right, guys, I love you all. It's going to be a great class on Sunday. And again, I just want to be completely honest with you, all right? And, you know, be fully transparent. Believe me when I tell you, you will be blown away with the information that I teach you. Every one of these testimonials, please read these testimonials, guys. Some of these are stock photos because not everybody wanted to come in and give them. These are all real testimonials. These are real people. I will let you speak to them if you really want to, okay? I'm not one of these guys that posts fake testimonials. I truly believe I'm one of the best educators in the business, and the main reason is because I am accountable to you. Okay, so this video is already 13 minutes. I swore to myself I was going to keep it under 10. If you want to be involved in the class this weekend, head on over to this penny stock class. It will help you build a small account up so that you can join the more advanced class. Bye for now.